So summer vacations have started, and like me, most of you must be planning your vacations, and it is very important that in order to feel good, we look good, and that is why I bring to you this video in which we talk about 5 outfits and 5 looks that you could try on your vacation to look absolutely stylish, stunning, beautiful without having to carry 5 suitcases filled with clothes and shoes and accessories. So let's go see what I have in store for you. Okay, so my first outfit is this maxi dress, and maxi dresses are perfect for a vacation. They have this really laid back, casual, and yet put together and really classy kind of vibe to them. Now this dress on a beach vacation can be worn in many ways, and I'm going to show you a few ways. So if you do not like wearing things that are with straps and don't like your shoulders and your arms exposed, then you can layer a shirt underneath this dress. Then for another look, you could layer the shirt on top of the dress to make it look like a really fun skirt, maxi skirt along with a t-shirt kind of a look. So I'm going to show you all these looks that you can create with one dress so that you can pack light and still look really awesome in whatever you wear. So let's go have a look. This was my outfit number 1, which was this simple polka dot dress, which I kind of wore in 3 different ways, just for you to get an idea of how, even living out of a suitcase, you can still look really stylish and create different looks with the same pieces. Now moving on to outfit number 2, I am using the same t-shirt that I have worn here in my second outfit, so that we all get ideas on how we can rewear and reuse and still look stylish out of a suitcase. So let's go and see what my outfit number 2 is. My next skirt look. This skirt is really fun, and it's really comfortable, and no matter how much you eat or put on weight, it still looks like a dream. And each time I put pictures up of this skirt, you guys keep asking me where it is from. So I got this from Linking Road in Bandra, literally from the roadside, and I got it at least 4 odd years ago. I bought it in 2 colors at that time, and these skirts are really versatile because you can wear them with a t-shirt like you saw me wearing, or you could wear it with a crop top and it looks really fun. Or if you're on a beach vacation, this skirt can even work as a cover-up. So for my next look, I am wearing this skirt that you can see. It's really fun, not a pencil, I mean it's a fitted skirt, but it's really fun and casual and perfect for a vacation, along with this lemon print t-shirt which you saw in the previous look as well. For accessories, I still have my same statement earrings, metallic minimal earrings on, and I am carrying a straw bag because on a beach vacation a straw bag is perfect. And if you would like, for an accessory, you could use a hairband. Look is this really simple but really comfortable and really nice look which you could try for the vacation. It is a simple dress, but it has really fun details. It has this a cross stitch detail along the neckline and the sleeves are flared, so they're really fun, and it's a slightly shorter length dress, so it's perfect for the summertime. And you could wear it with heels for a night out, or you could wear it with flip-flops for some time at the beach. Last look, I am wearing a really simple cotton maxi dress because it's summer vacation, cotton everything. So this is my dress. Now it has a really fun retro print, and which I really love. I'm a lover of vintage and retro and all things old-fashioned. So this is the dress. Now because we're talking about summer vacation outfits, I can't add layers in terms of actual layers like jackets and shirts and stuff like that, which would make it very interesting. But instead of that, I'm adding layers through the accessories. So you can add a hairband, which is the same one that I added with the previous dress. You can add that to this look as well, and it looks really just a little more put together and like you've put a little more effort. Or you could use a scarf like I have used. Just use it simply to tie your hair with, and it also adds a very beachy boho vibe. Or you could even use it as a bandana and with, you know, really nice metallic big earrings, statement earrings. Thought that I should share a little, give you a little glimpse of the destination that I am at. And the beach here is so gorgeous, so stunning, so pristine that I thought I must share it with you. Utna to banta hi hai, because without it this video would have been completely incomplete. So let's see this last outfit of mine on this gorgeous beach. Let's go. the beaches that I have ever been to, I think this beach is the most spectacular, and within India, definitely it's the most spectacular beach ever. This is the Radhanagar beach on Havelock Island in Andaman and Nicobar, and it's stunning. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any video on this channel, and tell me which was your favorite outfit. For me, my favorite was this dress. And also, which is your favorite beach that you have been to? Let me know that too in the comments below. I will be waiting to hear from you, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Until then,